Imagine a dance where the very laws of physics seem to bend, where human strength and agility reach astonishing heights. This is not a fantasy, but a profound reality, born from the heart of Southern Africa.
It is a spectacle that captivates the soul and challenges the imagination.
Here, strength, agility, and ancient storytelling collide in a breathtaking display of human potential. Every single stomp, every powerful movement, echoes with the weight of centuries of history, tradition, and unwavering spirit. It is a living, breathing chronicle. We speak of Indlamu, a dance whose name resonates with power and purpose. It is more than just a series of steps. It is a profound cultural statement, a vibrant expression of identity.
Indlamu is a testament to the enduring spirit of a people.
This magnificent art form is deeply rooted in the heritage of the Zulu people of South Africa. Their vibrant culture provides the fertile ground from which Indlamu springs, a dance woven into the very fabric of their existence. It is a cornerstone of their identity.
Beyond the borders of South Africa, Indlamu also finds a powerful echo among the Northern Ndebele people of Zimbabwe.
Though distinct in their histories, these two proud nations share a common thread, a shared reverence for this powerful dance.
It bridges cultural divides.
Indlamu is not merely a dance, it is a declaration. It is a bold assertion of presence, a celebration of life, and a profound connection to ancestral roots. Each performance is a powerful affirmation of who they are. It stands as a testament to resilience, a living monument to the ability to overcome adversity and thrive. Through generations, Inlamu has embodied the unwavering spirit of a people who have faced challenges with courage and dignity. It is a symbol of endurance. Ultimately, Indlamu is a story told through movement, a narrative etched in the very air by the dancers' bodies. It speaks of triumphs, of community, of the sacred bond between humanity and the earth. It is a timeless, moving epic. At the very core of Indlamu lies its most iconic and awe-inspiring element, the Inlamu stomp. This singular movement defines the dance, setting it apart with its raw power and incredible precision. It is the heartbeat of the performance. Witness the dancer as they lift a leg impossibly high, a feat of flexibility and strength that defies expectation. The leg arcs gracefully, yet powerfully, reaching a zenith that often extends over their own head. It is a moment of suspended disbelief. Then, with a force that reverberates through the ground, the foot crashes down. It lands with a resounding impact, a percussive wham that punctuates the rhythm and electrifies the atmosphere. This is not just a step, it is an exclamation.
Crucially, this powerful action is performed with impeccable timing, perfectly synchronized with the driving beat of the drums and chants. The precision is astounding, a testament to years of practice and an innate connection to the music. It is a symphony of motion.
The Inlamu stomp is a vivid display of incredible power. It showcases the immense physical strength and explosive energy of the dancers, leaving observers in awe of their athletic prowess. Each stomp is a burst of controlled might. Beyond brute force, the stomp demands absolute precision. Every muscle, every sinew, works in harmony to execute this complex movement flawlessly. It is a testament to the dancers' mastery of their own bodies. And finally, it is a profound demonstration of control. Despite the explosive power, the movement is contained, deliberate, and perfectly executed. This mastery over their own physicality is what truly elevates the Inlamu stomp to an art form. Indlamu transcends mere physical steps. It is fundamentally about connection. It weaves together the past, present, and future, binding individuals to their community, their ancestors, and the very land beneath their feet.
It is a profound spiritual link. The purposes of this dance are as varied as they are profound.
Indlamu is performed to honor ancestors, invoking their wisdom and seeking their blessings. It is a sacred dialogue with those who came before. It is also a vibrant celebration of victories, whether personal triumphs or communal achievements. Indlamu marks moments of joy and success, amplifying the collective happiness and reinforcing bonds. It is a dance of jubilation.
Furthermore, Indlamu serves as a powerful preparation for challenges yet to come. It instills courage, builds camaraderie, and fortifies the spirit, readying individuals and the community for whatever lies ahead. It is a ritual of empowerment. The symbolism embedded within each movement is rich and deeply meaningful.
The rhythmic stomping, The very essence of Indlamu mimics the heartbeat of the earth itself and is a primal connection to the land. This grounding effect connects the dancers not only to the physical earth, but also to their spiritual heritage. It is a reminder of their roots, their lineage, and the enduring legacy passed down through generations. It is a profound ancestral link. Contributing to this powerful narrative are the vibrant elements that adorn the dancers. Their attire, often rich in color and texture, tells its own story, reflecting status, occasion, and tribal identity. Each garment is a piece of history. Intricate beadwork, meticulously crafted and imbued with symbolic meaning, further enhances the visual spectacle. These beads are not mere decoration. They are a language, conveying messages and representing cultural values. They are wearable art, and underpinning it all are the powerful chants, sung with conviction and passion. These vocalizations provide the rhythmic backbone, inspiring the dancers and drawing the audience into the heart of the performance. They are the voice of tradition. Indlamu is a dance for everyone, embodying a remarkable inclusivity that spans generations and roles within the community. It is a shared heritage, accessible to all who embrace its spirit. This universality is one of its defining traits, from the youngest initiates, learning the foundational steps and rhythms, to the seasoned warriors, whose every movement speaks of experience and wisdom. All participate. Each age group contributes its unique energy and perspective to the dance. The demands of Inlamu are considerable, making it a true test of endurance. The sustained power, the explosive stomps, and the continuous rhythmic movement require immense stamina and physical fortitude. It is a marathon of strength. Beyond endurance, it is a magnificent display of skill. The precision of the footwork, the control of the body, and the synchronization with the music all speak to a high level of mastery. It is a testament to dedicated practice. The emotional impact of Indlamu is profound, serving as a source of immense pride for both performers and observers. It is a celebration of cultural identity, a reaffirmation of heritage, and a powerful expression of collective spirit. It ignites the soul. When observing Indlamu, one is struck by how the dancers move in unison, a collective force flowing with shared purpose. Their synchronized movements create a powerful visual and auditory experience, a testament to their cohesion. Their bodies form a symphony of strength and grace, each individual contributing to a larger, harmonious whole. The interplay of powerful stomps and fluid transitions creates a dynamic and captivating spectacle. It is a living sculpture. While the core elements remain consistent, subtle variations are present within Indlamu, reflecting regional differences or individual interpretations. These nuances add depth and richness to the dance, showcasing its adaptability. Ultimately, it is the individual expressions that truly bring the dance to life. Each dancer imbues their performance with their unique spirit, adding personal flair and emotional depth to the traditional movements. It is a canvas for personal artistry. The spirit of Indlamu is not confined to performance spaces. It is deeply woven into the very fabric of Zulu and Ndebele cultures. It permeates daily life, influencing customs, ceremonies, and the collective consciousness. It is a living tradition. Indlamu serves as a powerful reminder of their past, a tangible link to ancestral wisdom and historical struggles. It ensures that the lessons and triumphs of previous generations are never forgotten. It is a historical anchor. It is also a vibrant celebration of their present, a dynamic expression of contemporary identity and communal joy. Indlamu allows for the continuous evolution of culture while honoring its roots. It is a living, breathing art, and crucially, Indlamu stands as a promise for their future, a commitment to preserving and passing on their rich heritage to generations yet to come. It is a beacon of cultural continuity and resilience. We invite you to witness the unparalleled power of Indlamu for yourself. Experience the raw energy, the profound symbolism, and the captivating beauty of this ancient dance. It is an experience that will stay with you. Take this opportunity to learn more about the vibrant Zulu and Ndebele cultures, whose histories and traditions are so deeply intertwined with Indlamu. Discover the richness and diversity of Southern African heritage. For those eager to delve deeper into the tapestry of these incredible traditions, we encourage you to click the link provided, explore further, uncover more stories, and broaden your understanding of this remarkable part of the world. And finally, we ask you to share this video. By doing so, you help to spread appreciation for the incredible diversity of human expression and the enduring power of cultural heritage. Let the world witness the majesty of Inlamu.